There's this thing that happens. When the beat hits just right, the piano grooves, and the melody just sings. That moment where everything clicks and you don't just hear it, you feel it. Some people call it magic. We call it making music. It's more than just a hobby. It's an exploration, one that nourishes our minds, regulates our emotions, and builds confidence. And for kids, it's a superpower that they carry with them for life. So, what if there was an instrument whose sole purpose was to help anyone develop that superpower? Say hello to NeoUke. Built by the trusted guitar manufacturers at Sonicake, NeoUke is the instrument designed to help beginners experience that magical moment when music finally clicks. With an array of sounds right at their fingertips, simple color-coded melodies, and an intuitive app that teaches them all of their favorite songs, NeoUke makes music accessible, easy, and most importantly, fun, even if they've never picked up an instrument before. With the turn of the dial, NeoUke transforms into a guitar, a ukulele, a piano, and more. Acoustics, drumming, and picking patterns make their playing sound full and polished, and the LED fingerboard guides their hands and lights up their performance. Transpose knobs make it easy to play along to any song, and the built-in speaker lets them create wherever they are. The fully integrated NeoUke app offers over 100 songs and new innovative ways to learn so they can jam all on their own or right along with you. Durable enough to play every day, portable enough to take anywhere, and intuitive enough to get anyone bit by the music bug. NeoUke, where music meets play. For over a decade, Sonicake has been trusted by musicians worldwide for pedals, amps, and guitars. And now with NeoUke, we're opening the door to a new kind of instrument, one designed to bring the joy of music making to those at the very beginning of their creative journey. Over the years, we've seen some of our favorite advancements in music tech launch right here on Kickstarter. And it's clear that the combination of new ideas and community support from people just like you is a powerful recipe for meaningful innovation, which is why we've decided to launch our own campaign for NeoUke. Our prototypes are done, manufacturing is in motion, and now we're inviting you to join us and be among the first to play, explore, and create with it. We want to thank you for taking the time to check out our Kickstarter. We hope you enjoy NeoUke, and we can't wait to hear what you create with it.